Big news from Manus and Meta today as Manus joins Meta for the next era, as you can see right here. So Manus has basically been bought by Meta. And you can see here, this was literally just announced a few hours ago. So they said the news is out and it's big. Manus is joining Meta. The announcement is more than a headline. It's validation of our powering work on general AI agents, blah, blah, blah. And you can see here, the Meta have bought Manus. HypeTune says, bro, what? This is crazy. I would agree with you. I think it is pretty crazy news, as you can see right here. And you can see a quote that actually says, joining Meta allows us to build on a stronger, more sustainable foundation without changing how Manus works or how decisions are made. We're excited about the future with Meta and Manus working together, and we will continue to iterate the product and serve users, blah, blah, blah. You see the official Meta announcement here. So it's been announced by both companies here. Interstellar says Manus websites are killer. I would agree. They're really good. In fact, if you want to see, and I'll show you Manus works today if nobody's watching this, but you can see here, we actually built this website with Manus and deployed it to a custom domain using Manus. Manus wrote the code, it coded out, designed it, created the copy. And if we actually go onto Google, we're looking for this website or looking for my brand term, you can see here we rank #1 for that keyword, right? Above school, above YouTube, everything. The websites, everything that Manus creates are pretty amazing. And you can see here they've said, we are excited to announce that Manus is joining Meta to bring a leading agent to billions of people. Pretty insane. And unlock opportunities for businesses across our product. HypeTune says, I love how quick you are with the news. Thank you very much, sir. And it says Manus is awesome. I use it in my products, but wow, I don't want to. I think some people, are a bit worried about it coming over to Meta. I'll see Meta. Some people don't like Meta. So you see here, it says Manus has built one of the leading autonomous general purpose agents who can independently execute complex tasks like market research, coding, and data analysis. We will continue to operate and sell the Manus service as well as integrate it into our products. Manus and its technology for general AI agents is going to go straight into Meta, which is pretty impressive. And you can see here, Manus is already serving the daily needs of users and businesses worldwide. It launched its first general AI agent earlier this year. This is the crazy thing about this, right? If you don't realize already, Manus only launched this year and it's already been bought by Meta. They've already joined with Meta. And it's like one of the biggest sort of mergers in AI this year out of the whole industry. And you can see here, blah, 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 their talent will join Meta's team to deliver general purpose agents across our consumer and business products, including Meta AI. Pretty interesting. So obviously they're going to get a lot more users, which is very interesting. It's amazing news for them. It shows how quickly you can move in this industry and what people are trying to do and that sort of thing. But what's also interesting is some of people's takes on this as well. So for example, you can see here, Edie says Meta just bought Manus, and it makes sense. Consumer AI apps aren't big labs, right? So you got Perplexity, 11 Labs, Lovable, etc. But Meta has no product. And this is maybe like one of the most aligned moves they can make. Now, you might be wondering, okay, like what is Manus? So just to recap here, Manus is a general purpose AI agent that launched in March 2025, only like 10 months ago. Unlike ChatGPT or Claude, where you chat back and forth, Manus actually does things autonomously. So it can open a browser, click around, fill out forms, write code, and completes multi-step tasks. So if you've never used Manus before, you can actually go to manus.lm. And they actually went viral originally. You can see the announcement here as well. But they actually went viral originally for some of the stuff they could do. They were like one of the first technologies to come out with an AI super agent. And for example, here we said create a calendar event for a live stream, send an email to Julian Goldie about it. So it connects with everything inside your ecosystem as well. So for example, like your emails and everything else. And you can automate a lot of cool tasks. So you can see actually what it does here is like it takes the top 5 news stories each day and then just creates like a Google Doc, as you can see, using this method. So it creates like a Google Doc automatically each day with the latest AI news updates, as you can see. Pretty cool. So let's talk about the insane growth story. And this is really where it gets wild, right? So just charting the growth of Manus so far, they only launched in March 2025. They hit this much by November in just 8 months, right? Just 10 months. That's one of the fastest companies to reach that sort of amount in history, right? Which is amazing. Vegas says, is this live? You pump out so much content, hard to keep up with the good work. Thank you very much, sir. And you can see where they're up to. So they processed 147 trillion tokens, created 80 million virtual computers, served millions of people around the world. Now, just to show like how powerful this is, it actually took Slack 3 years to reach a similar level. took Slack 3 years. Manus have done it in 10 months. Shopify actually took 7 years. And Shopify is like a huge company, but Manus did it in 8 months. So that sort of shows you the trajectory and the insane growth story of what we're looking at here and where they're up to. They originally started as Butterfly Effect, founded in Beijing in 2022. Early backers included these guys. They moved to Singapore mid 2025. In April 2025, they hit a new benchmark. In December 2025, they were acquired by Meta. And so it's absolutely amazing. Now, you might be wondering, okay, why have Meta done this? It's quite unusual to see something like this because Meta is something I've covered extensively on my channel. I've actually got, if you check out the free notes from today, which is inside the AI Success Lab, link in the comments description. If you go to this video here, you'll see like a 5-hour course on how to basically build anything with Manus, right? Along with a community of 41,700 members. But you might be wondering, okay, why have Meta done this? What's in it for them? So let me walk you through, okay, why we think Meta bought them. Number one, Meta, it really has no good product at the minute, right? You won't see me talking about Meta on my channel or on any of my content, really. And the reason for that is Meta's products are not that good, right? Like they're great for doing Facebook ads, but in general, when it comes to AI stuff, like they're way, way behind. They've got Meta AI and WhatsApp and Instagram, but it's basically just another chatbot. Whereas Manus actually gives them an actual agent that does things. Like I was saying before, like Manus, it can connect to your Google Docs, it can send emails, it can schedule tasks for you, it can build websites that actually rank on Google, it can build beautiful quizzes. It can also generate films and videos. And most people don't even know how to use this, right? So here's an example. If we pull up, this is actually a vlog I automated with AI, and you just type in what you want. Now, I would never use Meta technology for doing this sort of stuff, but I can do a day in the life vlog of a Yeti in Manus with a couple of clicks, right? It's pretty amazing. And so you can see how much better Manus is, and that's without the talent that Meta has, right? So imagine what's going to happen when Manus and Meta's teams combine, like the talent that you've got there. Also, Llama is falling behind. Meta's open source Llama models are perceived to be behind OpenAI's GPT-5 and Google's Gemini 3. So they do need to catch up, and this is a big move by them. On top of that, they have a lot of infrastructure. They've really been pouring a lot into data centers and chips and that sort of thing. Whereas, for example, Manus are almost way ahead of them in terms of where they're at, as you can see. And then also the age sort of war is heating up, right? So you've got OpenAI with Operator, you've got Google with AI agents, you've got Anthropic with Claude computer use, and Meta was really behind on agentic AI. So this kind of closes the gap very quickly. And on top of that, you can, just by seeing what Manus have achieved, right? The Manus team is talented, right? And talent is everything in AI right now. The 100-person Manus team is now building for Meta, and that's a bit of a game changer as well. So what happens next? Manus is going to keep running as an independent product, so you can still subscribe. The team is going to stay in Singapore. The tech gets integrated into Meta's ecosystem, so probably WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and Meta AI. And then the vision is likely, like, just imagine asking Meta AI in WhatsApp to book you a flight or send an email or book a calendar call, etc. Right? That's what Manus can do, and that's going to be integrated in stuff like WhatsApp. And so it is a big move for all of them. Bigger picture, right? This is part of a massive trend. So 2025 has been the year AI moved from chat to do, right? And the big players. So if we look at what's been announced this year, you have OpenAI with Operator, their browser agent. You have Google with various agents in Gemini. You have Anthropic with computer use capabilities in Claude. You have Microsoft, and then you also have Salesforce with enterprise AI agents, and then you have startups like Replit, Lovable, Devin, etc. Right? And look at that list. Where is Meta? It's noticeably absent from this list until now. So this acquisition really puts them in the game. Consumer AI landscape. So this is where we're at. And yeah, basically, if you look at this and the valuations of other companies, I think probably they got the best deal with Manus, and that's why they went for it, right? Big move, big move. So if you've never used Manus before, check it out. It's pretty cool. If you want to see the latest takes on it, I would check out Twitter because there's loads of people posting about it. It literally just got announced a few hours ago, so it's brand new, hot off the press. And yeah, that's basically how it goes. If you want to get the notes from today, feel free to get that inside the AI Success Lab. Link in the comments and the description. And you can see here we've got 41,700 members. We've got an amazing community of people, and also all the video notes from today, plus all these free courses, as you can see, are inside the AI Success Lab, along with all the notes from today as well. And then if you haven't already, check out the AI Profit Boardroom. Inside the AI Profit Boardroom, this is an amazing community of serious AI builders who are focused on accountability, on automating their business with AI, like sharing wins and growing and learning together, like you can see right here. So for example, like Vladimir is creating his own MCPs, as you can see. And for example, Johan is white labeling voice agents. You've got all sorts of crazy stuff going on in here, and we're just sharing and growing and learning together. Top of that, you get 4 coaching calls per week. So if you need to jump on a call, get some help from a PhD scientist trained in AI who can help you automate your business, you can do that 4 times a week. And then also inside the classroom here, we have a 6-week AI automation masterclass that takes you from a complete beginner to an expert in AI. We have all my best trainings and systems that I use inside my business. For example, like AI avatar videos, newsletter automations, Twitter automations, automating your emails. We actually have tons of training inside here from Manus as well. So if you want to learn more about it, we've got a ridiculous amount of training inside there as well. And then also, if you want to get clients for your AI automation business, we actually have a full agency training course here, plus our best trainings on NA10, plus coaching call recordings, AI SEO automations, and my full 6-week roadmap on exactly how to build a YouTube channel based on what works for me. So feel free to get that link in the comments and the description.